Okay, so welcome back everybody. This is Cryptophil, and today we're going to talk about the gold trader, the little chicken golden egg, what I find, and they printing like crazy. This is Forex trading. It's not with crypto. That's what I like. I have green figures for Forex trading, and I have these guys. Why I like them? Because they just made 3% today. They made over 184% for 40 days. They allowed from June 21st. Okay, so I'm in this platform for the last week, for this week, and I already made 13%. That's crazy. That is crazy. This is Forex, not crypto. Your money are not locked. You can withdraw anytime you want. Simple as that. I'm going to explain you how you can get in and how is everything working here. So this platform is called ITS Forex 1000 V2. That's important. They have three different strategies what they're trading, but I'm going to focus today only on 1000 V2. They have Forex 1000, Forex 250, and Forex 1000 V2. If you go right here to Forex 1000, you will see they've been trading since March. They were in minus 0.6%, April 20% profit, May 4% profit, minus 4%. We have June and July 30% profit, and we have August 5% for the moment. This is 1000, but I'm going to talk about today Forex 1000 V2. Why? Because I like how they performing, because these guys don't trade always. There are a couple of traders. I know there are some Italians, some Americans, some from UK. Again, I don't have all the info, but this was shared to me by Tony, who is from Alpha 365, the project. I know they're going to invest some of the money here because they've been following these guys for weeks and weeks and weeks, and that's why I ape here. The only way to get here is through Tony. You must be in their Alpha, you must be in their DAO for Alpha 365, but because I was in DAO, I was able to get in, and now feel free to use my link if you want to join. I'm going to explain you. It's going to be PDF file in the link. Okay, you open that, or if you don't want to open, I'm going to go here step by step how you can join. Let's go on and let me explain you how everything is working, because it's going to take you good 20-30 minutes. Make sure you follow all the steps. Everything is explained there. Now there are a few good stuff and bad stuff. The bad stuff is there are a lot of Italian people here, and their Telegram is in Italian. They have a couple of people who can speak English, and also they're using Google Translate. So if you ask any questions, don't freaking out, okay? If you get very funny answers because they're using Google Translate. Okay, so that's one little bit negative thing, but hey, we are all around the world, so we're all trying to help each other. These guys, the traders, have been performing very, very well. Okay, 3% today, 13% for the week, 184% for the year, and they're only trading for 41 days. Again, if they have very bad day on the markets, like some new things upcoming, some new data, what can shake the market, these guys will don't trade. Simple like that. Okay, so the PDF file. So this is the PDF file. This is going to look like this. Sorry, this will be something on Italian because the guy who is above me, the Italian guy, one of them who is helping me, actually, not above me is Alpha 365. The guy who is helping me, he put something on Italian, but you'll understand. It's simple. And it's most of them is in English. Just this one is in Italian, but that's fine. It's only accept. So this is the PDF link. When you open, okay, this is going to come here. If you don't want to open, feel free to don't open, but you can just watch this video right here. And what you need to do first, you click on the link right here. Okay, once you click there, it's going to bring you right to this page. So you will see here, accept cookies. Okay, accept cookies, allow all or decline. I'll put decline for me because I already have account. Next thing what you need to do, you can go open live. Okay, open a new account, or this is FP Markets, by the way. On the application on the phone, there are 10 million downloads. So once you go there to the website, you go here and you open new account. Now, once you click there, you're going to come to this page. Now remember, everything is explained here. Open live, you can press open live, or the way what I show you. Number 3, fill in personal information. Very important. Put here individual. Okay. Do not sign up with Google or Facebook. Very important. Don't put shitty names because you need to KYC here. This is serious stuff. I'm not sure if everybody from the world can do this. I'm not sure if the USA can do this, but you can use VPN. Probably there should be some tricks to get in. Okay, this is Forex trading. Okay, now very important here when you come to this page. Okay, so you put individual, you put your country, wherever you want. I don't know, you know, you just put your country, Norway, wherever you are from. You put male, female, select language, okay, nationality, you put your phone number, and very important, here will be were you referred by a partner. This is the main stuff. Please go yes and add my number here. This should be automatically come here, 23234 23234. Again, just put that there. Okay, if you go in the PDF file, you will see it's right here, 23234. Okay, once you go there, you go to number 4, and number 4, okay, will be to open your account. So this is very, very important. Okay, I don't want to, let me see if I can just put some information here. I don't think I can log in because I need to put my numbers and all this stuff, but however, we'll go to the next page. Very important, here you have live chat. Okay, chat now 24/7. Even I had some issue and they called me from Italy because it's crazy. So they called me and they said you need to upload your backside from your ID. That's crazy. So I upload and I was registered in like 10 minutes. Okay, so once we fill this one out, we go into further information. All right, and then you add information wherever you need, and then account configuration. So this is the trick. Okay, so this is the trick where you're going. So please understand that you must add this stuff here so you can be able to add money. Now you must choose MetaTrader 4 standard, and you must put euro. Okay, don't put dollars, euro. Okay, and the leverage is 1 with 500. You put your password trading for the trading account, okay, and for your login, and here you put again a password. Make sure you put some dodgy password, okay, not very simple, make some complex. Now once you go there, you go to the next one. You have some security questions, okay, in case something happened, and you have a generate a pin. Make sure you generate a pin, okay, add your email here, and then you're going to send your code. Now when you generate a pin, all right, right here should be 6 numbers. So each time when you try to log in, you're going to put your email, your password, you're going to press login, and then going to ask you again to add your pin. Okay, so that's good. Now next thing is accept the terms, of course, and declaration. So do you have experience in trading? Put no. If you have, put yes, and here yes, and accept and open account. When you open account, this is where you log in. So you log in with the email, password, and pin. Just generate. Make sure, again, when you create an account, things to remember: do not sign up with Google or Facebook. Add your real information. Next thing, add here the code. So where you refer by partner, yes, 2324. Okay, once you get there, this is the main stuff. When you open account, MetaTrader 4 standard euro and 1 with 500 leverage. Okay, put your password there, fill the information, and then you generate your pin, and we're going to accept the term and condition, and voila, you're done. So all this should take around 20 minutes time. Some people takes them 15 minutes, 10 minutes, some people take them 30-40 minutes. Everybody different. For me, it took me around 25 minutes. Now then you log in. Once you log in here, okay, what you need to do is you go to the profile details, and then once you log in there, you add your of course your number, you upload your documents, okay, your first name, your last name, whatever, and documents upload. Make sure you add whatever documents they ask you. For me, I upload my driving license in the UK, and it's take only something around 10-20 minutes to be verified. Okay, some countries, one of my mate took him around 20 hours, 1 day basically. Some of them take them 10 hours. It depends of the country because they must check everything. This is real stuff. Okay, now next thing, here you put your proof of identity, and then that's about it, and you're done. Now this is where is coming the tricky part. So this is part 1. Once you're done here, you get registered with account. Again, I'm trying to explain slowly here so you understand. You're registered, you're all done. Then you need to add account. You need to add money. Okay, so once you're here, right, I move my face so you don't see my real name right there. Okay, so once you log in, so this will be your accounts. You will see here your money, all right? So I'm here my account numbers, your money, and here you go to fund now, so you can add some money. You can top up with crypto, or you can top up by debit card. I tried both ways. It took me 3 minutes with debit card, and it took around 30-40 minutes with crypto. Now, make sure this is very important. When you go to fund now, make sure your account right here says euro. That is very, very important because I did mistakes there. Okay, and then you go to crypto payments right here, or Visa if you want. So go to crypto payments, then you choose this one right here, or this one. You can choose both, wherever you want. And you can see here I sent from USDT BP20, so from Binance Chain. I sent from MetaMask, so that's the good stuff. And I withdraw to my Ethereum wallet, so that's even better. So once you click deposit, you will see this money. Make sure it's euro here. Minimum is 500 you need to add, or you can add any amount you want. And then you just follow the procedures. Make sure maybe you send minimum first, just to make sure it's going to arrive, and then send the rest of them. Okay, so I press 100 euro, and here is give you 100 USDT with Tether, all right, or any other tokens. You press Tether, and then you choose BSC, Network, Tron, or Ethereum. Simple as that. So in case you messed up and you open your account in dollars, okay, you can just go add live account. You choose MetaTrader 4. You put here euro, standard, one with 500. You put your password, and voila, you have new account. And then make sure it's in euro, because I open in dollars, and then I send money in dollars, and then I open new one in euro, and I need to transfer from dollar to euro, and that was, I need to send a couple of emails. It was solved, but it take good 24 hours. All right. So make sure you don't do that mistake. Okay, so we are done here. Now, once you send money, 500 euro, then we're going to open. Okay, we're going to connect with the copy trader. So this is where is the interesting stuff. So you click the first link. So when you open the PDF or the link in the description, you open the first link, you fill all of this. And then you add money at the end in euro, 500 minimum. Then we're going to number 10. Click to join the copy trader. So this is very important. This is the main stuff actually. Once the first main stuff was get registered correctly, then you click here. Once you click there, you will see nickname Forex 1000 V2 public. Here, this is the tax what they take, 35% only if they make profits. Don't forget, this is something for them, and also something what they're paying for up, downlines, wherever, all the extra. And minimum balance 500. You put here your trading account number, okay, not your email, trading account number, your password from that account. You go yes and register. Once you click register, if you go here to the PDF, okay, you will see very important. Right here, you need to put activate, okay? You press here activate. Once you press activate, that's about it. Don't touch anything else. Add the documents again to verify there. The same documents, they will ask you for the same ID, they will ask you for proof of address and all the stuff. The same what you add register with the real account. So this is different, okay? So once you log in, okay, so once you get registered for the copy trader, this is the IB account. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. If you want to share your link, use this link to somebody else, client referral link. All right, copy and just share. And basically, this is the link where the people need to get registered. Okay, you can see here my code to get to these FF markets. If you want to create, let's say, if you want to have, if you're a YouTuber or something like that, let me know so I can send you this link, because you need to register here. Okay, so this will be more beneficial for you if you want to have more people under you. Okay, so this is sorted. Next one. So this is the main website, right? So when you open, after you log in, you need to click here, client portal. Okay, so you can log in. So once you log into your normal first registration, this is where you come into your this is how it's looking. IB portal right here. Okay, this is your trading account. Okay, where you can find the links what I just shared to you. Okay, two more things and I'm out. Now, next thing, the last thing what you need to do is you need to download the mobile app. Okay, go there to the Play Google. You will see there are like 10 million downloads. Okay, login. Okay, right here, login to existing account. This is in Italian, so but you read here, login to existing account. Search for FP Markets and select FP Markets Live 3 right here. So press here FP Markets for search. Press there and log in with your login account number and also your password. And you're going to log in. And this, I took a screenshot, screen recorder from my phone, how it's looking. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so this is from my phone. There we go. Slightly slow, but here you can see a live trades now. Let me just go forward. Here you can see it's moving. So this was recorded this morning. Okay, this was recorded this morning. So you will see that I'm going to just go back. This is live trade right now. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so this was this morning. You will see 8 o'clock right here. Okay, 8 o'clock, and this is my profit, 120 bucks. I put 1300. This is euro, so that's around 10% profit, a little bit more. Sorry, a little bit 1300. Yeah, around 10% profit. Okay, don't forget the withdrawal. They are profits. Okay, I think they are percentage. Now, if you go here, what you need to know is you'll see. I'm not sure if you can see. It's pressing right there. Probably cannot see, but what you need to do is here you can see. There we go. So that was my last week. Okay, so if I press there, you'll see today and last week and last month. So right there on that top corner, right? Once you get to the app, you will see it's very, very simple. It's very easy. And here you can see all the trades what they're doing. They're buying, they're selling. This is like a live update, okay? So simple as that. Okay, if you go to their Telegram group, okay, Infinity Trading System, I will put the link here. There are two links for two different groups. You will see here, this is just announcement how much money they make. So they make 2.9% today, 2nd of 8. Sorry, today is 3rd. So for today it's not even live yet. So today I think they made around 2.53% again. So this is V2. Sorry, this is the V2 war where we're going to ape in. Okay, that's me. And this is Forex 250 and this is Forex 1000. All right, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, this is the announcement channel where they do updates every single day. And again, please remember, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is trading, okay? And you can lose everything. It's simple like that, okay? Only risk capital. Again, thank you so much. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to ape in. If you need some help, join my Telegram. Ask me. I will help you as much as I can. If not, join the Italian Telegram. And there will be few people who speak English, so they're going to be able to help you. God bless. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, watch my video from More You Give, More You Receive. It's mean the world to me. I'm the only YouTuber who's helping the poor people in the world.